about 100 or some odd less just because they don't have the Apple logo on them. I don't know, how much is the Apple logo worth to you? Now, as far as the Windows having software that's different from the Mac or better than the Mac, and vice versa, you know, I've talked about this before, but it's still, I think, an important thing to establish. These days, anything that you can do on Windows, you should be able to do on a Mac. Now, I'm not gonna say everything, but in terms of the basics, certainly the Mac is equally as accessible in terms of what you want to do with a computer. You know, if you've been used to living in a Windows environment, the old argument was, well, Mac has no software. I would argue the opposite. I would say there's more great software out there for OS X than there is for Windows. Unfortunately, a lot of Windows developers are just relatively uninspired in terms of developing a user experience that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing to the eye, or possibly the ear. There are shortcomings to each particular platform, but don't let the lack of software hoax fool you. I guess it's more of an urban legend at this point rather than a hoax. It's what longtime Windows users claim is the truth, and they couldn't be further from it. But that's okay. You know, they don't deserve OS X to that degree. So anyway, what do you guys think?